So, Mandalorian Series 2 is finished. Sobs. Hopefully they'll get on with Series 3. I have this cool, the child toy, so let's see if he's any good for Christmas. Got this cool guy from the Disney store on the Black Friday sale. Really wanted him just because he's remote control, I think he's adorable. His eyes don't close, but that's okay because I know the other one, his eyes do. Spoiler warning, there will be spoilers in this, but we now know that he's called Grogu. I'm kind of, when I first heard that name, I was a bit, I'm not sure, but I'm warming to it. So on the box, he's got a try me feature. So before I put the proper batteries in, I'll just test that. So already you can kind of hear the mechanicals, the robotic bits, whatever. So that's quite loud. And then he does another thing as well. So that's obviously him using the Force. That's quite cool. So what I'll do, I'll get him out of the box, I'll pop the batteries in, and I'll see how he works and crawls along the floor and stuff. Got my remote on, which you need to activate the child, or Grogu, or Baby Yoda, whatever you want to call him. Press the orange button, and he'll give you some head movement. Purple button, it's a bit of force movement. Green button, he will do some babbling baby type noises. I bet in years to come there'll be a Stars of Yesterday and it will actually be the baby that was the voice of Baby Yoda. Just like the Nirvana baby on the cover of that album. You can use the joystick as well. So just moving him around and then front and back. Oh, he's gone. So that's going to take some getting used to. Oh. But that's cool as well. He also has on the red bit, the child will explore the room. So he just goes off on his own. Oh, he's gone now. So he'll just explore. He'll make some little noises and stuff like that as well. And then there you go. So having a little look round. And then there's also oh no, he's still doing it. There's also a follow function. So I walk around with it close to me. He should follow me where I go. If I walk this way, he should follow me. Yep. So I walked away from him and he's coming right to me. So that's really good. And then the last bit is a hide and seek. So I put him on hide and seek. He's looking for me. I've gone and hid. So he has to try and find where I am. So he just did the hide and seek mode as well. I went and hid for 10 seconds and then he came after me. So that was really good as well. Value for money, personally, I think, and a great Christmas gift because he does a lot. He actually does a lot more than I thought. There's like 6 different things he does. You can play around with the sounds and stuff, like the Force thing he does also, and has the little joystick. He follows you around, loads of great noises as well. He also comes with the little pendant that Mando gave him. I think it's a great gift. So it's normally £60, but on the Black Friday sale, I got it a lot cheaper. So really great gift. I think that would be great for Christmas. Also with season 2, so at the time of filming, just seen episode 5, which was called The Jedi. So that introduced Ahsoka Tano to us. So to your average Star Wars watcher who isn't invested in the cartoon series, they wouldn't have known who Ahsoka was, so it's really good that she was live action. Such an amazing episode. Just tell me what you thought. Obviously, when this comes out, it'll be the end of season 2, so definitely put some comments and your thoughts. Love replying to comments as well, love talking about Star Wars, I could talk about it all day. So yes, he's a really great toy, really fun, great for an adult, great for a kid. It even fits on my wrist, so they know that it's for adults and kids. So remember to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.